Okay, so let's look at 2024 grade 9 external integrated science paper 1. Question number 9, a question on materials and energy, specifically under a subtopic called chemical reaction. The diagram demonstrates two types of chemical reactions. So we have reaction 1 and reaction 2. Question A, identify the gases J and K in reaction 2. Identify the gases J and K in reaction 2. So the gas J is oxygen, then the gas K is hydrogen. Okay, so the reaction 2 is representing electrolysis of water, electrolysis of acidified water. So what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using electric current. Electrolysis is the splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using electric current. So reaction 2 is showing electrolysis. Okay, now during electrolysis, water molecules are split into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay, now the gas which is going to be collected from the anode is the oxygen. So gas J, oxygen. Then the gas which is going to be collected from the cathode is hydrogen. So gas K is hydrogen, gas J is oxygen. Gas J, oxygen, gas K, hydrogen. Okay, question B. After eating, the brown copper powder changes into a black powder. After eating, the brown copper powder changes into a black powder. Question Roman numeral 1. Identify the black powder. So the black powder is the one which is going to be produced. Okay, the black powder is the one which is going to be produced. Now they want us to identify what is going to be produced. That is, after heating the copper, the brown copper powder, what is the product going to be? So the product is going to be copper 2 oxide. You can just say copper oxide. Copper oxide. So the black powder represents the product which is copper oxide. So the answer is copper 2 oxide. Or you can just say copper oxide. Then question B, Roman numeral 2. Write a word equation which resulted in the formation of the black powder. Write a word equation which resulted in the formation of the black powder. So they want us to come up with an equation which resulted in the formation of black powder, which is copper 2 oxide. Okay, so the equation is going to be copper plus oxygen is equal to copper oxide. Copper plus oxygen produces copper oxide. Copper plus oxygen is equal to copper oxide. Question C. What type of chemical reaction is demonstrated in reaction 1 and reaction 2? So the type of chemical reaction in reaction 1 is synthesis. Since copper and oxygen, these elements are combining to form a compound which is copper oxide. That's what we call synthesis reaction. So reaction 1, synthesis. Then reaction 2, that is decomposition. Since water molecules are being split into hydrogen and oxygen, that is decomposition. So reaction 1, synthesis. Reaction 2,